Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the language on the My Little Pony Coloring Budge application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and go to the settings icon at the lower right corner of the screen. You just type the numbers 5786, and this is the settings and info section. Here you can find the language button under the voiceovers. Click to the plus icon, and here you can find different language: Italiano, Deutsch, Espanol, Korean or Japanese, and others, and just select one and click that. I don't select another because I don't speak another language, just English, and others just it's not here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.